hit right on the lens. What's up, guys? Today I'm back with another episode of completely original intros. And I am almost out of frame to make this joke. As you can see to my right, there's a hot glue gun, so we're going to be getting messy. And I think some of you are here from search, so I'm not going to keep you waiting any longer. Let's get right into the tutorial. Alright, so first we're going to be starting off with the barrel. We got 2 monster cans here, and the hot glue gun is warm and ready. So here we go, on to the first steps. Alright, so you're going to put the glue around the inner lip of this one right here. And then you can connect them together, of course, but let's do that. Alright, now that that's done, you're going to do with this again, and then connect the 2 things you made together. I also have it like an industrial strength hot glue gun. I don't know if you can see, but this thing is like steaming. It's so hot, like it's burning the glue. So I could die. Alright, now comes the fun part, trying to get them together. We'll do that now. I also forgot to mention, to make it more secure, if your cans are coming apart, seal the outside too. Of course it'll use a little more glue, but it's more secure, and now they don't come apart. So right in the middle is where you're going to want to attach the grip. Basically, it's going to go right behind the middle seam, and you're just going to hot glue it to the base of the other can.
It sound right, boy.
Alright, now this part is definitely going to be the most glue consumptive. As you can see, it takes a lot to hold it on there, sturdy on both sides, just because it's not flush when it's connected. So if it'll focus, yeah, right there, it's going to use a lot of glue, so just be prepared for that. Alright, so the next step up is attaching the handle part behind the grip. So basically, just right here on the back part of the gun, you're going to attach it at whatever angle you want. Doesn't really matter, but you know, just glue the parts and then let it dry.
Sound right, boy.
It's gonna be the scope, and I have a white monster can for that. So it's up to you. You can either, you know, like make it in line with the gun just like this, or you can offset it like that over the seam. Doesn't matter. It's whatever. It's your gun, so do whatever you want with it. I'm gonna offset it just because I think that looks cool. There you go, guys. After all of that hot glue, I think I went through like 2 whole sticks. It's finally done. The last thing to do is to test fire it I'm gonna do it in the house just because guns like these have a lower muzzle velocity. So yeah, let's get right to it. Here's the finished weapon. Here's a little quick test fire. Just inside, see how it works. These should be like barely subsonic, so you'll see a little flash, but it's not anything bad. So yeah, so like it's not terrible, but it's a little loud. I did make the suppressor for it, so go ahead and put that on the barrel there. Yeah, so like it's a little better, but like it's nothing. It's not super great, you know. Yeah. So that is how you make a monster gun. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're new, consider subscribing. If you're not new, unsubscribe and subscribe again, so that way I get a notification. And yeah, I guess I'll just see you in the next video. Night night.